Hey guys, so we just announced today on Instagram that we are now selling our new titanium dual exhaust and single exit exhaust, which was originally called the Type S exhaust, which was the stainless steel version. So now we're calling it the Type TI, stands for titanium. So this car right here has the dual stainless exhaust, the Type S, and then this one has the dual TI exhaust. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a sound test right now, just sitting in idle, and then also revving the car so you can get an idea of the difference in sound versus one to the other. Initially, when we got in this car, this one had the stainless, we changed over to the titanium, we drove it around and it sounds quieter, but that's just, I can't tell if it's just in our head or we just want it to sound quieter or not. So we're gonna use our decibel meter to really test it. So here we're gonna test the titanium, about 2 feet away. Let me get a little closer. Now I'm about 2 feet away. We're gonna do couple blip revs to 4,000. Go ahead. Try again. One more time. Okay, this is the stainless exhaust. 4,000 RPMs. It's pretty close. The other one, I think this one I saw 90 decibels, and this one, or maybe 91. This one's like 92 to 94. Oh, really? So it's close. Yeah. It's so close. It's almost the same thing. Yeah. Idle is pretty much the same. So now we're going to do a little bit of a flyby. So this is what the exhaust looks like underneath, guys. This is the dual. The single is the same thing, just without this extra wire going to the second dual. Here's our clearance right here. I want to make a note that we did a bracket right here from the resonator to the pipe. That's something to focus on right there. Titanium's a little bit more brittle, so we don't want the welds cracking. See all the pie cuts in the bends? This exhaust came out very nicely.